gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm working with this unit from Yoowigs. The wig came in this cute box. Came with pair of lashes, adjustable strap, and that is the wig. The hair is Royal Film HD lace highlight wavy human hair wig. So now let me share more light about the Royal Film HD lace. The Royal Film HD lace is invisible. This lace is really thin and delicate. The HD film lace is generally used in movies and film. Hence the name HD film lace, named to be tinted or used with makeup and stocking cap for darker skin tone. It came with some combs and an adjustable strap as well. It came with about 4 to 5 combs. Let me talk more about the Royal HD lace. The Royal HD lace, it is thinner and melts completely into your scalp, which makes it undetectable and your hairline less visible. Due to the softer and lighter material, the HD lace is not as inching or irritating because it's higher than a transparent lace wig. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger. When it comes to wig, we have so many lace. We have the French lace, we have the Swiss lace, we have the Korean lace, we have the HD lace, and this is the Royal HD lace. I prefer the Royal HD lace because the Royal HD lace, when you use it, it melts into your skin. They don't know the difference between your scalp and the lace. This lace, this is what most actresses you see. This is the lace they use for films. Give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Life is what you make it. I should been amazing.
And one thing I like about this lace, the Royal HD film lace is very, very thin compared to the ordinary HD lace and the Swiss lace, which makes this the best. And to my understanding, is more expensive, but I prefer it to the ordinary lace and the Swiss lace and the rest of them.
I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been all the fairways. But everything again. And nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules. I've been making moves.
So if you are a beginner, I will advise you to get this Royal Film HD lace because it will melt. You don't need a lot of work. You don't need to do a lot of work before you can melt this into your scalp, your skin. It will blend into your skin and they don't see the difference between your scalp and the lace. You guys are going to see that at the end after installing this wig. So I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box. If you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. And please, gorgeous, if it is your first time here, subscribe if you haven't and hit on that bell icon. In that way you don't miss any video from me.
Like who I'm becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me for they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, the accident showed it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. Put the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus.
Like I said, there are so many different types of lace, like the Korean lace, like the Swiss lace, like the French lace. They are all different from this Royal HD film lace. And this Royal HD film lace is also different from the regular HD lace, because we have normal HD lace, which is not the Royal HD lace. So don't misunderstand the two. This one is Royal HD lace, not that regular HD lace. You can see how the lace melted inside my scalp, my skin. You don't even see the difference. Look at it. I did not do much job. I did not use hair glue. I only used styling gel to install the wig, and look at it. You cannot detect the lace. That is why they said the Royal HD film lace is undetectable. You see my scalp is look very smooth, looks like my real scalp, so natural like my real hair. You see how it melted inside my skin. I so much love this Royal Film HD lace. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. And this wig is from Yoowigs. Alright guys, I will leave you guys to watch to the end. I will see you guys in my next one. I hope I explained the difference between the Royal HD film lace and the rest of lace that we have in the market. Alright guys, please, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't and hit on that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attended. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No one babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just show me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attended. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush, hurry up, cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil.